This is our high-speed CNC plane driller. It is mainly responsible for the drilling of our tube sheets. The milling cutters of the CNC plane driller are imported from Germany. They have higher hardness, faster processing, and better stability. And they greatly improve our production efficiency as well as precision and surface smoothness of tube sheets and holes. The manual welding of small caliber tube sockets are low efficiency and accuracy. This is our fully automatic tube socket welding robot, which can completely solve the above problems. It greatly improves the welding quality and reduces the labor intensity. In ZOZEN, we have the exclusive support robot welding station in China. Here we can see that the robot arm can realize automatically fixed position welding in 8 directions, ensuring the welding quality and efficiency. Our ZOZEN imported intersecting line CNC machine tool. Comparing with traditional boil manufacturers, they usually hire technicians to perform the intersecting line cutting. They usually copy the profile first and then cut by hand, which not only takes a long time but also has low accuracy. But our intersecting line CNC machine tool can completely the cutting and beveling at one time with higher processing accuracy, ensuring a tight fit when the boiler is assembled.